Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix controller not working in Windrose on PC. Follow these methods step by step until your controller starts working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable or disable Steam input. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Windrose and select Properties. Go to the Controller tab on the left. Find the Override for Windrose dropdown. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it doesn't work, go back and select Disable Steam Input. Then test again. Solution 2. Configure controller settings in Steam. Open Steam. Click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Click on Pair and Manage. Then locate External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only what matches your controller. Enable Steam input for Xbox controllers if you use an Xbox controller for PlayStation controllers. Try Not Enabled, or enabling games without support. Do the same for Switch or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. After trying these methods, your controller should be working in Windrose. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.